Nike's about to make big moves, but you don't want to pick sides. This is how you can play it. Nike is going to be releasing their earnings very late tonight, and for those who are going to be up late and paying attention, this could be a great opportunity. But let's just say you don't know which direction to go. Quite a bit of volatility in the markets, and there's no shortage of news on Nike, and especially with the impact of tariffs. So the expectation is that there could be massive swings on either direction. So what strategy do you take? Well, let me share one with you. Options trading strategy, and specific, a straddle strategy. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can put this into action. Put it right into our search tab right here. And right away, you're going to be able to see a lot of the historical information, whether you want to look at the stock a week ago, a month ago, a year ago. You can see there's been quite a volatility in the market. Maybe you want some a little bit more information as far as, analyst ratings. And you can see that pretty evenly split. 50% say buy and about 46% hold and a 4% sell. So let's jump right into it. We're going to go to trade. We're going to click on options. What we're going to be doing, as I said, it's a straddle strategy. So you're going to be buying a call option and also buying a put option. Now you're going to go to your strike date, and the first available date is June 27th, which is conveniently right after the earnings calls. And you're going to pick the first option here that is in the money, which is at $61 call, and it's at $2.70 per contract. Click on here. And here you're going to see the bid and the ask spread. The bid is at $2.65, and you're going to see the ask is at $2.70. You're going to go to buy, and you're going to buy. We're going to do a sample here. We'll do one contract, which will cost you $270. Why is that? Well, every contract gives you the power to exercise 100 shares. So 100 shares times $2.70 equals $270. And we're going to go to done, review the order, and we're going to place it, and voila. The order is pending, obviously, because it's daytime and the markets are not going to be open until the evening, but we're going to confirm it here and press done. Now, we're going to do the other transaction, which is buying a put. So we're going to go click on put right at the very top, and I'm going to choose the first out of the money option here, which is this one at $61 for a put, and it's being offered at $2.19 per share. So I'm going to click here. Again, you're going to see the bid-ask spread at the very top. I'm going to buy, and I'm going to buy one contract. This one contract will cost me $219, and I review my order, and voila, done. Oh, I always love that little image there at the end. And I'm going to press done. So what I've essentially done is I bought a call and I bought a put right around the current stock price of $61. This strategy profits if Nike moves up or down significantly beyond the cost of the trade. Now, earnings are volatile, and remember, it's all about probabilities. The strategy is very helpful. Now, if you like this video, follow Sarwa for more walkthroughs.